Today was a distinctive day for the Saudi delegation to the Youth Assembly. We had a panel where my colleague Mohammed Alharthi was able to present in front of the full plenary, which was a great experience.
And we are here as your youth facilitators, trying to get your perspectives to the panel here.
And then we went ahead and we supported Dima and Musab on their projects in the Action Hub.
Today, me and Musab had the wonderful opportunity to present our projects at the Action Impact Hub in front of a wonderful batch of delegates here at the AFS Youth Assembly.
After that, we attended a panel that Bayan Alrehaili presented in. She's a promising lawyer and she spoke about the laws and regulations and the development of that in the field of artificial intelligence.
You don't really need a title or a position to have a say as a young person in what AI should be or should not be.
Also, I had Zainab pitch a project that hopefully we can hear good news that she won it tomorrow during the celebration award.
Our children are going to grow up in a world just like this, where screens are all around them trying to grab their attention. For 5 more minutes, mommy, please.
Inshallah, she's going to win. She was insane.
Try my best to represent Saudi Arabia in the best way, because I'm here as a chosen delegate. I'm not just representing myself, I'm representing my whole country. The first and biggest support has been the Misk Foundation. They've helped us empower ourselves, not by giving us funds, but by teaching us how to pitch ourselves, how to get funding from angel investors, from VCs.
Everyone in my delegation and the Misk WAFD delegation was very inspiring to me.